In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do ACH transfer Charles Schwab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link an external bank account and move money electronically using the automated clearinghouse system. At Schwab, this is done through their MoneyLink service, which lets you transfer funds between your Schwab accounts and another U.S. bank at no cost. We'll start by setting up your external bank link. Sign in on the Charles Schwab website, then go to Move Money and choose Transfers and Payments. Look for the option labeled Link or Delete External Bank Accounts. Select the Schwab account you want to connect to your other bank, then enter the routing number and the account number for that external bank. Be sure those numbers are accurate. Routing numbers are 9 digits, and you'll typically find both numbers on your bank's website or on a check. Agree to the terms and submit. Schwab will send 2 small verification deposits to your external bank. After those deposits appear, often within a business day or so, return to the same section on the Schwab site and enter the exact deposit amounts to confirm. Once verified, your external bank is officially linked and ready for ACH transfers. With the link in place, you can initiate your transfer. From the website, go back to Move Money, then Transfers and Payments, and choose Online Transfers, which may also appear as transfer funds. Set the direction of the transfer by selecting from your external bank and to your Schwab account. You can move money into either a brokerage or a bank account at Schwab. Enter the dollar amount, then choose whether this is a one-time transfer or a recurring schedule, like weekly or monthly. Take a moment to review all details, especially the from and to fields and the amount. Then click Submit to start the ACH transfer. ACH timing typically runs 1 to 3 business days. Business days exclude weekends and federal holidays, so plan ahead if you need funds available by a specific date. If you're moving money into Schwab from your external bank, that's an incoming ACH. If you're sending funds from Schwab back to your external bank, that's an outgoing ACH. Either way, transfers through MoneyLink are free, and you can schedule them as one-time or recurring based on your needs. That's it. Link your bank, verify the micro deposits, and then set up your transfer with the correct direction, amount, and schedule. Follow these steps and you'll be moving money with confidence using ACH at Schwab.